Hey everyone, Shanos here. Welcome to this video. So we're about to start building two very important funnels that are essential to this business and this strategy. Okay, so we're about to jump into building these two funnels, but before we actually do that, I decided to make this quick short video to tell you why we're building these funnels and what these funnels do exactly, why we need them. So let me just quickly explain how these funnels work and why we need them, and then we're going to jump into building these funnels. So let's get started. So first funnel we're going to create is going to be called offer transfer funnel. This funnel's job is really simple. What all it does is just gets traffic, show them an opt-in page. Opt-in page is a page where the page is asking for name and email. So it gets their name and email and then sends them to the sales page. The sales page is my affiliate link, right? My offer, the product that I'm promoting. So that's very simple. Traffic comes, they put their name and email, they go to the sales page. That's the offer transfer funnel, and we're going to use this in Facebook ads. We're going to show this funnel to people who have already seen our content on our Facebook page. So this is what we're going to use. This is one of the uses of this funnel. We're going to have multiple uses for these funnels, but this is just one of them. So next one, which is a bit more complicated but almost same as the offer transfer funnel, is going to be called engagement funnel. This funnel just has an extra step. So traffic comes, there's going to be an opt-in page again. It's going to ask for name and email, and then it's going to send them to a video page instead of the sales page. Okay, so the video page, people are going to watch this video and then they're going to click on a button and it goes to the sales page. Okay, so this funnel is going to be shown to a lookalike audience of our current audience. So this is the funnel that people who are not familiar with our page are going to see it based on the audience that we already have on the page. So again, I'm just giving you a map, an idea of what we're going to do and why we're actually going to do it in next videos, so you get an idea of why we're actually doing this. Okay, so again, if you don't understand this, it's okay, because we're going to use these funnels in next sections, so you're going to actually see why we're doing it. Okay, so again, I just wanted to give you a map of these funnels. So let's get into it. Let's start creating these funnels, and I'll see you in the next video.